Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on Imprint application. If you're skeptical about your security settings and you'd like to change your password for Imprint, then follow the steps till the end. Launch open Imprint application and make sure to sign into your account. Once you are in the main home page, tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will then open up the account details page. To change your password, tap the reset button right next to password. You will now receive a password reset email sent to your registered email inbox. Go ahead and launch open your email inbox using your email app or a website. You will then receive a reset your password link from Imprint. Tap it open and tap on reset password. Select a web browser from the list and then you will be taken to a page where you can enter the new password you would like to update to. Select a strong password and type it in. Double check your password by tapping on the little eye icon on the right corner. After typing in the new password, tap save and you have now successfully changed your password. Now you can get back to your Imprint application. Only now, whenever you are logged into your account, you will then need to enter the newly created password. So that's how you can easily update your password on Imprint. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.